What does a company need in this day and age in order to operate successfully on the market? Is it individual solutions for every single customer? Is it high adaptability and product quality? Is it reliability and delivery dependability? Yes, definitely. But much more. Service is a matter close to our hearts. We accompany you from the packaging design to the medical product ready for sale. Our mission: customize packaging solutions for your product. This starts with development, continues with prototype testing in the test laboratory and process validation, and ends with production and shipping. Always in close consultation with our customers, competently and in partnership, from small quantities to large series production. We react flexibly, straightforwardly and proactively to your wishes. We provide safe and sterile packaging for your products. inpac Medizintechnik, part of the Eurofins scientific group.